Hey folks, today we're on top of Jebel Jais and we finally bought the bullet. We're going to do the Jebel Jais Toro Verde zipline. It goes all the way from up on top. You'll see it when we get up there, all the way over there. We do like 150 kilometers an hour. I might go a little bit faster because I'm heavier than most, but should be exciting. Can't wait. Patrice is in the back. Say hi, Patrice.
Hello guys.
And hopefully we both start and we both finish. So let's see. Heading to the top. All right, we're pulling out of the parking area, and in order to find it, you have to go all the way up to the last parking area before the security gate at Jebel Jais. So you go in there, you park, there's a green, what you might call shipping container that they've set up as an office, and then now we're heading up to the top. This is our driver. What's your name?
Mohammed Qasim.
That's Mohammed Qasim from Pakistan. We're gonna make him famous. All right. First part is to get to the top. If he can get us up there, then that's a good start. All right, we're at the first office, and we're gonna go and get our wristbands now, which says we are ready to go up to the top and go off this thing. Alonzo gave us a briefing. Now we're standing in line to get our wristband. Then we're gonna get kitted out, and we're heading up. Getting excited. All right, here we go. We're kitted out. There's Patrice all in his dress, ready to go. Give us a pirouette. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. All right, this is it. Can't wait. Should be fun. We got these Michael Jackson gloves. Sunglasses and phones. Gonna go in a backpack. So they really got a good setup here. You see, this is the thing that you sort of lay in, like for hang gliding. They give you a backpack over here where you can put your personal stuff. And of course, a safety helmet and goggles. Oh, she's got the one. Oh, she's lucky. She got the good one. All right, anyway. Apparently, just for you GoPro users, if you want to do the GoPro face shot, you have to rent the little arm. We're in the bus going up. I got this crazy contraption on my head so that you can see my face when I'm going down. Hopefully it's nice and tight. You can see these girls behind me. They've got crazy contraptions too. So here we go. Oh. I'm excited. Are you excited? Check in with you at the top. We just got a briefing from Hossam. That's him there. And now we're gonna go do this. We're gonna let the girls go first, see if they make it. Well, you know, gentlemen, always let the lady go first. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, it's getting real now. Here we go. I hope I don't shit myself. Oh boy. Let's see how this compares to skydiving. I've done that 2 times. I enjoyed it a lot. So we'll see. Patrice, you okay over there? Okay. I think Patrice is scared. Okay. This is it. Here we come. Here we go. Yeah, we're ready.
2, 1.
Oh boy. Shit. Oh my God. Oh, this is crazy. Look out. Yeah, baby. Coming into the braking system. This is it. Ah. Whoa, that is insane. Uh-oh, I'm too short.
Okay, my friend.
My head? Yeah.
Very good.
Woo! Unbelievable. Yep.
Now it's stand up.
That is nuts. Ah. Whoop. Watch your head.
Stand up.
Whoa. That is crazy.
And drop it all the way down.
Yep. Taking my clothes off here for people. I usually get paid extra for that. Okay.
Step right here. How was it, so good?
Awesome, dude. That was crazy.
Tip it up, please.
Do what?
Tip it up.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now put your backpack on, please.
Oh, backpack on.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so just hold on to these weight bags here.
Okay.
Sit down completely.
Yep. Yep.
That?
Yep.
Ready? Bye-bye.
Here we go again. All right, now we're just launching over to this small one here. This is where we get off.
Legs down? Yeah.
Yeah.
And stand up. Pull the cable.
It's easy for you to say. There we go. Whoa.
Was it good?
That was crazy. Unbelievable.
You can remove your hand gloves.
Okay.
Turn around.
There's Patrice coming down. I don't know if you can see him. Look there. There he is. I don't know if you saw him or not. Which way? Under?
One more time.
That's it? Up top?
Yes. Bye.
Bye, see you. Thanks, guys. Whoa, that was crazy. Insane. That's crazy. What do you think?
Good.
That was nuts, huh?
Yeah, go too fast. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks. I can go up front if you, yeah. Give you some more. Whoopla. Thank you. Whew. How are you?
Good.
Oh, it was pretty cool. Unbelievable. What an interesting set of engineering just to build this thing. That's insane. Well, now heading back up to where our bike is and head back to Dubai. Well, we did it. We survived. And now we're heading back down. Jump on the bike, head back to Dubai. Hopefully get back in time for a late lunch. Unless you want to stop somewhere for lunch on the way. Or would you rather? Either way. Well, I want to go back to the house first and change out of my motorcycle gear. But I think maybe we'll have a nap and then, because we're coming over for the tagine tonight, right? Yeah. So anyway, we'll see. Yeah. Alright, cool. So Patrice, what did you think about the...
Very good experience.
Yeah?
Very fast. But you were faster than me, Gary.
Yes, I was.
Very quiet. I did my best. I couldn't.
And my mouth, as you saw, was open most of the way, which usually provides a lot of drag, but didn't work this time. I did eat a few bugs on the way, so I'm